bugs. So we're gonna get started on our butter bombs. Don't mind my tips here. I just bought a few new ones and I was just going over some things before I started doing this. So we have our little handy dandy cup here that was cleaned and sterilized. And we're just gonna measure out some of these butters, and I have an oil. And actually this is like my first time doing this for this particular recipe. So we're gonna go with it and see what we come up with. Obviously it's gonna be something Greek. And I'm not one to toot my own horn, but beat all of my recipes for my bombs usually are like awesome. So this is literally going to be all butters, and I'm going to do one oil. Bugs, while Mickey Mouse and his clubhouse friends are in the back singing and dancing and carrying on, we have liquid butters for our lip butter balm. Now I'm going to take some vitamin E while this is still liquid and warm. Just dump that in there. Gonna hit it with the strawberry fragrance. I don't know why I keep saying fragrance, but flavor. Some good drops of that. Hopefully it smells like something. I'm gonna mix this in ever so carefully. And I'm gonna sit down. Don't be alarmed by my appearance. Oh, you can only see my neck. This smells really good. I think I'm just gonna put a little bit more of a flavor in here. Don't be alarmed. I have a napkin to the side that that's sitting on. I like all of my stuff to be very pungent with smell. I like the smell to be very, very strong and fragrant. And even though I can smell it from over here, it's giving me a good throw. Just want to add in a little more, because that cocoa butter is very strong. And actually, I'm going to go get me some firecracker red. If I can find it. Oh my goodness. Where is my firecracker red? Oh no. I think I found it. There we go. Firecracker red. And since this is strawberry, I'm gonna put a little of this in here. I wasn't thinking about doing a color until just now, so hence the fact of me just now getting the firecracker red. And this is a mica from Nurture. I'm just gonna put that wee bit in there. Give it some color. I'm gonna mix this up but not spill it. And I have a package coming from them, so I cannot wait to receive it. I need so many more colors, and I ran out of my gold, so that was like a pain in the butt. And I like to use their Sahara and Maya Gold and mix. In a mix, it gives a deeper gold. So we're gonna take this, and this might be too much, but we're gonna take our pipette and we're just gonna fill these up. And it's a ghost in my house. Something just fell in the bathroom. Nobody's in there, but it's probably the wind. The window is open in the bathroom. So let's just say it's the wind. And yeah, I could get one of those little things to pour the mix into, but I don't want to. It's a little more messy to me, and then doing it this way, if I need to refill or buy more lip tubes and make more of this, tops come with these little containers that I have, and I can just melt it down as needed. It smells really good, you guys. And I can always have one to the side for myself, make another one. And I'm making a complete mess because if you can't see it, there's like lip butter all around a couple of these, the first two containers. But it's not a big mess, so I'm fine with it. Top these off because nobody wants a lip balm or a lip butter in a tube that has a dent in it. It just seems really strange to me. And as you can see, it's not thickening up on me because there's no wax in this recipe. You don't need a wax when most of these butters are like bricks on their own. But because they are butters, they will like melt to the touch of your skin, obviously. So to move these, trying to figure out a little leveler, a more level place to set them on top of the table so that they don't wobble and fall. Underneath the tablecloth, my table is not like flat. It's a steel table, but it has like it has designs in it, so like indentations. So if I'm not physically looking at the table itself and I'm doing this over top of the tablecloth, for a minute I forgot the word, I'm not gonna see where it indents at. So it's like you can see now these are like flat, but over here there's like a little dent in the table. Okay, so there you have it. We're done with these. They have the little dome top. We're gonna set this to the side, put tops on it, and store it in a cool, dark place. So the next time for when we need it, we will have it. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. Bye for now. Be well and stay blessed. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos.
If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.